Vivekanand College is one of the best colleges in Maharashtra, Kolhapur. College offers many graduate and undergraduate courses with quality. The college infrastructure is excellent. The campus is well maintained with modern classrooms and as well as with well maintained equipped computer labs, and library is full of valuable resources. The college provides perfect learning environment that support both academic and professional growth. Hi, my name is Sami Ali. I'm from Sudan. I'm proud to say that I have successfully completed my BSc Computer Science in Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. And my journey was truly remarkable and transformative. And I would like to take the opportunity to share my experience with you all. Vivekanand College offers various courses, especially in the field of computer science, and the curriculum is very well structured and updated to meet the industry standards. And I had learned many topics in field of programming like data science, artificial intelligence, some little bit of machine learning, and web development, and app development as well. And I would like to say that these courses has helped me a lot tremendously to enhance and develop my technical skills. And special mention goes to my professors and teachers. They are not only educators but also they are monitors who have helped me a lot with their dedication and support throughout my course. And also would like to say that that was so much and it was so valuable to me to understand the subjects and the curriculums. And also I am very grateful for the principal and the HOD of my department, Vishal Wakmar sir, and my research guide, Patil ma'am, also Mujawar sir, and other staff members, and also great thanks for Cindy sir and Sagar mama also. He have helped me a lot whenever I need something. To all students that they are still studying or wishing to come to Shiva University or Vivekanand, especially Vivekanand Kolhapur, I would like to say that this is one of the best colleges that you can join in Maharashtra. And it was nice. The city is affordable to stay everywhere, and it's safe also compared to other cities. And the college and the city, it has given me the degree not only but also a great memories that I will keep it up to the day I die. Yeah. And that was so much. I appreciate that so much. And a huge thanks for Vivekanand College Kolhapur for shaping my future, and I'm looking forward to be an alumni, and I will stay in contact. Thank you so much.